Welcome to the Dr. Marvin Lott Scholarship Application Guide. This scholarship was created to support students who may not have everything figured out yet, but who are willing to take meaningful steps forward. This presentation will walk students and families through how to complete the application correctly the first time. Because of application volume, we are not able to guarantee individual follow-up if something is missing. We encourage students and parents to carefully review all required items before submitting. Our goal is clarity, fairness, and equal consideration for every applicant. Application dates may change from year to year. Always check the website for the most current deadline and plan to submit early. Submitting early gives you time to gather documents and avoid last-minute issues. If the student meets these requirements, they are eligible to apply. This is a need-based scholarship. GPAs above 2.5 do not receive additional weight. Parents and guardians, this is your role in the process. Only page 1 of the IRS Form 1040 is required. Line 11, adjusted gross income, must be visible. If AGI is not visible, the application will be considered incomplete. All submitted documents are securely handled. Students should request an official transcript from their school counselor. We recommend doing this early to avoid delays. All decisions are based entirely on the material submitted. Financial need is the primary factor. Effort matters more than presentation style. Students are not penalized for being undecided about their exact path. What matters is demonstrated effort, completing FAFSA, applying to programs, meeting with advisors, and researching options. This scholarship exists for students who are building their future, not necessarily those with perfect resumes. Be clear, be honest, show your effort. When resources are limited, we prioritize students with the greatest demonstrated need and strongest forward movement. We encourage families to review this checklist together before clicking submit. A complete application ensures full consideration. We believe in supporting students who are moving forward, even if the path is still forming. If that describes your student, we encourage you to apply. For the most current information, deadlines, and application access, visit www.bridgebuildercollective.org/bridge-forward. Thank you for your time. Please like, follow, and subscribe. And visit our website to learn how the Bridge Builder Collective continues supporting students and families.